Assalamu alaikum. I start with the great name of Allah Pak, who is the most beneficent and the most merciful. Kindly recite Durud Pak. I will discuss here radiation and some application of radiation of heat in daily life of chapter number 8, transfer of heat. Radiation is energy that moves from one place to another. Light, sound, heat and X-ray are examples of radiation. For example, the earth is warmed by the sun, but the sun is about 150 million kilometers away from the earth. How does the sun's heat reach the earth then? We know the process of conduction or convention is not possible in this case because both require matter to transfer heat. The sun's heat reaches the earth in the form of radiation. So, radiation is a process of heat transfer from a hot body to a cold body in the form of waves. There is no direct contact between the heat source and the heated object. For example, we feel heat from the sun even though we are not in contact with it. The radiation of the sun reaches of earth in the form of waves which travel with the speed of light. रेडिएशन क्या है? रेडिएशन एक एनर्जी है जो एक जगह से दूसरी जगह मूव करती है. हमारे पास एग्जांपल है लाइट के, साउंड, heat and X-ray. Applications of radiation of heat in everyday life. Every object reflects or absorbs some amount of heat. Radiation of heat can help us in many ways. For example, a microwave oven uses thermal radiation to cook food. Another one is when we sit beside a fire, the heat of the fire reaches us by radiation. Different methods of heat transfer from a hot body to a cold body are taking place in our environment. We can use all these methods for our advantages. There are many devices and machines that are constructed by using the phenomenon of heat transfer. Another example is X-ray machine. X-rays are roughly classified into soft X-ray and hard X-ray. Soft X-rays have relatively short wavelength of about 10 nanometer. So how X-ray machine works? When the machine is turned on, X-ray travel through the body and are absorbed in different amount by different tissues. Because of this property, bones readily absorb X-rays and thus produce high contrast on the X-ray detector. So that is enough for today. Thanks to Allah on learning something new. Stay safe, stay home, love your parents. Allah Hafiz.